Hey guys, what's up? My name's Cheney and I'm a third year computer science at Cal State Fullerton, and in this video I'm going to be documenting my first hackathon, and it's going to be virtual. Today is October 22nd, 2020, and tomorrow is the hackathon, so I think today I'm going to get my group together so we can possibly discuss some of the topics. The hackathon that I'm participating in is called DivHacks, and I found it through the Major League Hacking website, and I've been told that hackathons are a great place to learn and just have fun, and that's what I'm doing. For those of you who don't know what a hackathon is just an event where you get together in a group, you code for a couple of days developing some sort of project that has real-world applications, and at the end, you just present it to some judges and possibly win some prizes. Oh boy,
When you go to front pages, people face decisions kind of long.
I'm eating right now.
Hackathon participants in any form. Participants violating these rules may be banned from participating and submitting their hacks, and we will also kick them from the Slack.
Now I'm clueless.
Hi, Clueless. I'm Kid.
Huh?
What?
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 I kind of don't want to team with you. The idea is like any shit idea that pops in your head, just say it. And like eventually you could run with an idea. Okay, so these are all the prizes, by the way. So, we have the tracks. So public health, inclusion, urban spaces.
The directory for that project, you just run git init, and you will have an empty git repository.
Yeah, so here we spent a lot of time just trying to figure an idea out, and we spent the whole first night just trying to figure out our idea. It took us a really long time, and we were really inefficient with trying to come up with an idea, but eventually we decided to set a timer for 10 minutes and then just spit out all of the ideas that we had within those 10 minutes, and then we just narrowed our idea from there. The final idea that we came up with was a web app that would allow people to post listings of vegetables, fruits, and flowers that they grow in their own backyard, selling them locally to their neighbors. We were trying to answer two prompts. How can we engage the community, and how can we solve urbanization issues? The app was supposed to help inspire people to learn and grow their own foods at home, which on a massive scale could help reduce farm transportation costs to get products from the farm to the market, which would also reduce carbon emissions. We would add features to this app such as a tips list for growing plants, which would allow the community to interact more. Alright, Garrett, what are we trying to do?
Oh, what's up? We're trying to make a shitty brand name. So here are our bad suggestions right now.
Oh.
Wait. You gotta take greenhouse and spell it wrong. That's how you really get them. Don't forget add a .io.
Alright, so we just finished coming up with ideas with our crappy ideas right here. Kian's got some over here. How'd you do, Kian?
I did great.
Wow, poggers. And Garrett is trying to come up with fonts for the website, and we're using Figma to design the website.
Figma balls.
Alright, we got Kian working on the front end. Right, Kian, what are you trying to do?
I'm trying to make an amazing website page.
Poggers. I'm out here trying to learn how to do backend on Express.js, and we have Garrett actually just carrying everything with this.
Dude, I don't know what the hell I'm doing. I'm just Googling really fast.
See, look at that Poggers website.
This is broken.
So we're finishing up here in Cheney's studio. Everything is super scuffed. We didn't really finish anything.
I mean, okay, we have 10 hours left. right? But like, and we could probably finish within 10 hours, because I think we got pretty far with learning. At least you guys did, right? So, but like, I'm just too lazy to.
Was burnt out.
Yeah. I don't think I would be able to like actually code for 42 hours and like go overnight
I mean,
just reading documentation
I could probably
just
do
to
it.
read.
Like,
I don't want you to, Garrett.
but like,
You're caring already.
You've already done enough for us.
Yes. You're too OP, Garrett. That's all I can say. Yeah.
usually I'm. But it works because you didn't send the request. You didn't send the response back. You just logged it in console.
Okay. So how would it be like a post, router.post?
No, so what you do is you do something like const, like, you know.
Oh, no, it's an error.
Oh, the request timed out because we never sent a response.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
Okay.
So you have like an array, data.map.
Don't mess it up. Alright, hey guys, what's up? So it's been a few days after the hackathon and we submitted our project to DivHacks. Unfortunately, didn't win anything. I didn't expect to, but you know, I'm just proud that we got this whole project out. So we ended up going with the greenhouse name for our business. And this is what we did. Don't worry about that. This is our landing page. This is our viewing the local sellers page, so you get to see what other people were selling locally near you. So we got Joey selling some fresh tomatoes and cucumbers and some more tomatoes. And this is like a more like a profile page of what a person's selling. And this is our dev post that we submitted. This is everything, our responses to these questions, and of course you can see Garrett's got some very insightful things about what he learned from this hackathon. Yeah, so I spent most of the time learning Firebase. I mean, this whole database is not very complicated. It's very simple because okay, let me explain. I have zero knowledge in backend and web development in general. So I was pretty much learning everything from scratch. I was learning how to install Node. I was learning about downloading NPM packages. I was learning Express.js, and I was learning how to use Firebase. So like zero knowledge, and I was just kind of overwhelmed with everything that I needed to know to actually dish out this project. But you know, I'll take what I can get. It was a learning experience for me. So we got some beautiful gala apples. We got juicy clementine orange. We got some nutty nuts. We got some grapes, Fuji apples, and then we have some like reviews so people could leave a review for the seller. And then we got a seller. Yeah, so we had a location here because we were going to, or we needed some sort of data to know how far away people were from each other. So maybe if you wanted to find just apples within a 5-mile radius, we could do that. And that's what that was for. Yeah, so this is the code that I was working on pretty much the whole time. I was just learning how to do queries. So that would be making a request to our backend server so that we can extract data from the database and provide this data for the user. We did at the end up being able to connect our front end and back end, but it was very simple. So I think it was this query. We tested out this query. So all this query does is display all of the listings that we had. So like right here, it would display all of this and all of the attributes like description, price, produce, and quantity. Yeah, so I spent a lot of time doing this, and then I commented out a bunch of code as I was learning, just for a quick reference. But I was just learning how to print out each listing individually. I spent a lot of time reading documentation, like right here on the Firebase website. So I spent a lot of time in this add and manage data section and this read data section. And I was watching, this guy, and I was watching all the videos. And, after 8 hours, it gets pretty tiring. So I don't know how people at these hackathons just go straight overnight, just learning everything they can. I guess it is more fun if you do know what you're doing and you guys know what your product is and how you're gonna dish it out. I guess that is more fun. But I'm just, this is my first hackathon. I wasn't trying to win anything. I was just trying to learn. So overall, it was a great experience. Definitely would do it again. I think I am actually hopefully trying to participate at the local UCI hackathon with some friends. So yeah, I mean, if you guys are planning on doing a hackathon, I highly recommend it. But just if it's your first one and you don't really know anything about web development, because I think a lot of the projects are web based, or there are a lot of web apps or mobile apps, maybe you should take some time to learn a little bit of those, how to code those things before you go into the hackathon. I mean, you don't have to, but it's definitely a good idea to do that. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and hopefully I'll see you guys around soon. Thanks.